Busy week, so let's hear what made the Intense 5. Road rage has got to stop. The video with the busman cursing off a woman because he wanted to bad drive her, that is crazy. So George Zimmerman wants to sue the family of Trayvon Martin.
Zimmerman is now suing Trayvon Martin's family and others for $100 million.
Really? Why this man won't just go get a job? Did you know that he also supposedly auctioned off the gun that was used to kill Trayvon? He called it a piece of history. Whew. Jamaica may have the world's oldest man. Mas Tata is 114 years old and lives in Westmoreland. Let's hope they can verify it. What is happening in Mountain View? The war and fighting has got to stop. And finally holding the spot this week, Conscience pours out his heart on social media after he and his wife allegedly split. A day later, she posted in her IG stories that she won't be leaving his side and it will help to get him back on the right path. I hope you guys can work it out. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.